That makes
really
sense.
bad.
Tipsy makes sense because it means you feel like you're gonna tip over.
Yeah.
I feel like you're gonna tip
Most
over.
days, yeah. It takes a lot of energy to keep your balance straight. But see, the nice thing about Tipsy is you remember what you did. When you're drunk, you tend not to remember much.
Oh yeah, huh?
Yeah.
I think I don't want to be drunk then. I hate drunk people.
Yeah.
I like Tipsy. I
Yeah,
can
Tipsy's
stick with
nice.
Tipsy. Tipsy makes me
He's
happy.
so
But
so
Tipsy takes
unique.
a lot. It takes like 3 beers and a cider.
Yeah,
Tipsy.
but see, like, I don't think these are like super strong with alcohol.
Yeah.
Hey, so do you think it's true that a girl when she's drunk she will
3.8%
like
volume of alcohol.
she will give her body to a guy?
Maybe.
Huh.
No wonder my boyfriend was trying to make me take so many shots.
Maybe so, because you don't really care what you do so much.
Yeah, I mean, you actually have had a lot to drink, but these are all really weak.
Yeah, this is the everything
Amount.
I drink is very weak, but I think
You have had a lot of alcohol in your system.
it's more than I've ever had
Maybe.
actually. Usually I only have 2 drinks at the most. And it's over like 2 hours. So this is a lot.
Why? What do you do?
Why have you stopped laughing?